Welcome back to Zackus. I'm so glad you joined us for another video. I have a really cool new home tech product to show you, and it's all about your front door and a camera and apps and all that kind of stuff. So here we go. So I just wanted to say real quick, I shot all the video, did the install, did all the testing, and I just want to make sure you stay to the end for that review. We have some pros and cons. We've contacted them and had a great experience with their customer service. And if you want to jump right to that, usually on long videos I put shortcuts down in the description below where you can just jump to the unboxing, to the install, and to the review, so check that out. So let me give you a little history before I dive into this. I recently acquired a condo in a city for some stuff I needed to do, and I had it's a really brand new property and nice property, but I've had some issues with some packages disappearing. I know it's crazy that someone could just walk up and take a package. And you guys have probably seen my Nest cameras and my Ring cameras on my other house, and you know that I like security. You know that it's very easy to get and very affordable these days. Just look on your phone, you get notifications. But in this condo, I can't put a Ring. There's no doorbell. There's no electric or power. Plus, you just don't want to drill into someone else's property. So I was looking for a solution where I could see who the heck thinks they can just walk up and take stuff from my front door. Is it someone in the building? Is it someone walking around that shouldn't be? All that good stuff. Typical stuff of why you're probably looking for a camera, why I was looking for a camera, and I needed a really easy, simple way to do that. So I found this, and it's called the REMO PLUS Door Cam. They have a few extra products. I believe they started on Kickstarter, but now they are a full-fledged product. You can order it on Amazon. You can order it through their website. Of course, the links will be down in the description below. You can check that out. And I'm going to install it. I'm going to show you guys how I install it, and all that good stuff, so you can see if it really works, if it's something good for you. Basically, the idea is that if your door opens inward, which most front doors do, hopefully, it's unsecure if it doesn't. And this goes on top of the door. It just kind of fits on top of the door, and it runs on batteries, which lasts a pretty good while. And it has a sensor and a camera, and of course an app. And then you can get notifications if you if someone's like moving around. You can set all those settings in your app, which I'll show you. And it's HD video. It has a cloud recording service that's very affordable, so you can keep at whatever you choose, like I think it's 3 days, 10 days, or whatever. So you can go back and look at the history of what's been going on in front of your front door. Ring does this, Nest does this. It's wonderful, it's awesome, and it has night vision. It has two-way audio if you need to speak to somebody, like knocking on your door, you're not home, or you don't want to come to the door. It's weatherproof. It's battery powered, and it's easy install. I was really excited about this, and I'm going to show you guys all the information about it. Of course, again, the link is going to be down in the description below, and we have other cool products, so you'll find links down there for those. Be sure to subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, you'll always get notified first of our cool videos. And I'm going to unbox this for you too, of course, with my trusty knife. Link to this is always down in the description. This is an awesome knife. And gonna see what's in the box, and then we'll install it, and I'll show you guys the app and everything, because I'm sure you're coming across the same thing, like dorm rooms, or if your kids live in an apartment, or you live in an apartment, anything that might require you to need something where you can't drill or install it, but you still need that feeling of security. Like, what happened? Where'd that box go? Where'd that thing go? Who did it? That's what I like. So you can see, pretty simple. It comes with some pretty big batteries. I think these are rechargeable. They're alkaline batteries, so they should be pretty good. So you can see that. They give you a little kit so you can just adjust things and get into the battery and stuff. They give you this little guide that, you know, you don't really need much, but it shows you how to adjust the door. You can adjust it, as you can see, for different door widths and stuff. And then, let's see what else is in here. So that's pretty much it. The box is pretty empty. And it's just this big, it's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. And this just slides right off. It's got a really nice face, so it's very obvious if someone looks up at your door, but at the same time it's not, because it goes at the top of your door. So they'd have to be like looking up, which most people don't, especially in mine, where I'm like, I have really extra tall doors. And it has a little pad here to protect against the door. This is where you can adjust the length. You can adjust the length based on the width of your door, because sometimes it can be wider or, you know, narrower. So you can do that. You can use this on any door. You can use it on a bedroom door. You can use it on a bathroom door, wherever you need. Like if you could use this to watch your pets. If you had like a room where you keep your pets, or you can use this as a baby monitor if you want to put this in your kids' rooms. It's really, really cool, and it's so simple, and it's very affordable. It's $200, and you can just pop this on the door, put some batteries in, you're up and running. It just slides right off. And that's where you put your 3 batteries. Alright guys, here goes the install. We've done the unboxing, now let's install this thing and see how it works. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to walk you guys through setting up the app, getting it. I'm using an iPhone, but you can get this in Google Play as well. Just type in REMO and it'll hit search, and it should be the first one or so to show up. And then it's free, so just download it. Then you're going to set up an account just like you would with any other app. It's super fast, super non-invasive. Just email for a username, password, and a profile name. That's just really more for you. And you can choose if you want to get a newsletter or not. And then here you're going to select what device you got from REMO. We obviously got the door cam, so we're going to choose that one. Then it's going to ask you what time zone you're in. This is more for the recordings and tracking when stuff was recorded and stuff like that. And then it's going to start taking you through the setup. If you've never set up a device, a Wi-Fi device like Wemo or your Nest cameras or something like that, this might be new to you, or Alexa, but most devices work this way now. So if you have Alexa or anything like that, you probably have done this. You once you get to this place, you check the device to make sure it's flashing like it says, and then you go to your Wi-Fi settings. In Apple, that's in settings, and Android, you can pull it down and click settings, go to your Wi-Fi, and you should see something that says door cam and some numbers, and you'll connect to that. It's like a little Wi-Fi signal that's coming out of the device that allows you to communicate with it in a secure way. So you just need to go do that, make sure that you've selected that and it's actually connected, and then you just go back to the REMO app. Then it's going to ask you what your Wi-Fi is, your actual Wi-Fi, so that they can connect to it and send that and save it on the device. And you just put in your network password, and that's it. Alright guys, this is just really quick to end the video you've been watching called the REMO Plus. I've been using it for a few days, and I'm going to pull it up so you can see the app, see how it looks, and I'm going to give you some of my feedback. I've been using it for a week now, and I'm going to let you see what the video looks like, what it captures, and just kind of give you some real-time feedback. And here's my positives and my critiques. The REMO is really, really cool. It's very unnoticeable. sitting on the top of my door. It's definitely made me feel better that I can like see what's going on. Here's the negatives. If you've used Nest or Ring, especially Ring Pro, you know that that it only shows you the video that it captures motion or a ring. And so when it does that, I don't know how, I don't know if it's always on, but somehow it captures about 5 or 10 seconds before the motion or the ring. And so you get kind of like a holistic picture of what's going on. Unlike the Nest that's just constantly on and you can just kind of go through it like a feed, this one captures motion and comes on, but there's like a delay. And so it almost like most of the time misses what's going on because of this delay. It's like the slow like shutter opening, which you can see on the video, and then it kind of just like captures it, and it has like a time limit, so it only captures like 20 seconds or something. So there's still stuff going on in front of the door, but you don't get it. It doesn't record it. It doesn't sense that there's still motion and to keep recording. And there's no way to like click and say like see a live feed or anything like that. So for these reasons, I'm not going to recommend this or for myself. I still think it's great. I still think it's awesome for like dorm rooms or like for your dogs, or you know, a kid's area like the kid's bedroom or something, or even in an apartment or a condo. It is definitely an easy, super easy way to install something very quickly onto your door without drilling or anything like that. And that way you have some kind of way to like view and hear things, even though it's not perfect. So I talked to their customer service, told them my feedback before I posted this video, and they came back really positively, said, hey, thank you so much, we're gonna work on this. And one of the things they did add, and they asked me to wait till I posted this video to try it out, is the live view. And so that's there, and there's also longer video takes, about 10 more seconds, so they're about 30 seconds when it detects motion. The live view is kind of clunky. You have to really go into the settings and find it. It's a little difficult. They need to update their design. But hey, at least you can now do a live view, which is kind of huge. That's a nice new feature. But the negatives I have are still there, like as far as the slow motion detection, but I know that they said they're working on that, so that's really good. And so maybe, you know, maybe that will help you make a decision that you know they are aware of this and they have a positive outlook on that, and they're taking that feedback to heart. Thank you guys so much for watching another Zackus video. We hope that helped you guys out. We want to bring you cool products. We want to bring you things that are interesting to you. They're going to make you safer, make you happier, make you enjoy life more. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any questions, concerns, if you used it, if you didn't use it, if you use something else that's better. We'd love to hear from you. Please subscribe. You'll be the first to be notified when we have new videos. We really, really want to grow here and be a help to you. So we really appreciate all of our subscribers. And I will catch you guys in the next Zackus video. Peace. One more thing before I go. Comment on our little set. We're trying to build a little set here so that you guys can see other products that we're doing videos on, and just kind of make it feel a little bit less like I'm in like a white cloud kind of thing, you know, that kind of thing. So just leave a comment below.